Imagine waking up in the morning, you check your phone and see money has entered your account. But here's the strange part, you didn't go to work, you didn't meet a client. You didn't sell anything today, yet money still came in. That's the power of multiple income streams. Now, let me ask you something. What would happen if your only source of income disappeared tomorrow? For most people, that would mean panic, bills unpaid, stress rising, and survival mode activated. But the wealthy think differently. They don't rely on one stream of income. They build many small rivers of money that flow into one large lake of wealth. In this video, you'll learn why relying on one income is dangerous, the 7 powerful income streams anyone can build, and a simple step-by-step system to start today. By the end of this video, you will understand how to build income streams that work for you, even when you're sleeping. Let's begin. Part 1. The dangerous myth of one income. Most people are taught a very simple financial formula: go to school, get a job, work for 40 years, retire. Sounds safe, right? But here's the problem. When you depend on only one income, you are financially fragile. Imagine sitting on a one-legged chair. What happens if that leg breaks? You fall. That's exactly what happens when someone loses their job. The truth is, one income equals maximum risk, and the wealthy know this. That's why many millionaires have 5 to 7 income streams. But here's the good news. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start small and build gradually. Part 2. Understanding income streams. An income stream is simply a source that brings money into your life. Think of it like water flowing into a bucket. If you only have one pipe, your bucket fills slowly. But if you have 5 pipes, the bucket fills much faster. Let's look at the 3 main types of income. Active income. This is money you earn by trading time for work. Examples: salary, freelancing, consulting, gig work. If you stop working, the money stops. 2. Passive income. This is money that continues even when you're not working. Examples: rental income, dividends, digital products, online courses. Passive income is the ultimate financial freedom tool. 3. Portfolio income. This comes from investments. Examples: stocks, index funds, real estate appreciation. This is how wealth multiplies quietly over time. Part 3. The 7 powerful income streams. Let's break down 7 income streams you can build. 1. Your job, the foundation. Your first income stream is your primary job. Many people underestimate this, but your job is not just income, it is capital for building other streams. Use your job to save money, learn skills, and invest in opportunities. Your job should be the engine, not the destination. 2. Freelancing or skills. Your second income stream is monetizing a skill. Examples: graphic design, video editing, writing, programming, social media management. Today, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow anyone to earn money from skills. Even 5 hours a week can create a new income stream. 3. Online content creation. The internet has created a new kind of economy. You can earn through YouTube, blogging, TikTok, or podcasting. Income comes from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Channels like yours can become a real business. Many creators start small, but eventually earn thousands per month. 4. Digital products. Digital products are powerful because you create them once and sell them forever. Let's talk about digital products. This is a game changer. Think e-books, online courses, templates, or guides. You create it once, and you can sell it thousands of times. Imagine you create a simple $10 ebook on a topic you know well. If you sell that to just 1,000 people, that's $10,000. And the best part, there are virtually no inventory costs. The profit margins are incredible. 5th, we have investments. This is the classic way to make your money work for you. We're talking about things like stocks, ETFs, and index funds. It might sound complicated, but the concept is simple. You buy a small piece of a company or a basket of companies, and as they grow, so does your money. For example, if you consistently invest $200 every month into a simple index fund, over many years, the power of compound interest can turn that small, regular investment into hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's a slow and steady process, but it's incredibly powerful. Next up, number 6, real estate. For centuries, real estate has been a cornerstone of building wealth. Income can come from multiple sources here. You have traditional rental income from long-term tenants. You have property appreciation, where the value of your asset goes up over time, and you can even get into short-term rentals like Airbnb. Even if you start small with a single property, real estate can become a major engine for your financial growth over the long haul. The 7th and final income stream is business ownership. This is where true financial leverage begins. It could be an online store, a consulting agency, or a local service business. The key difference here is that a business can generate income beyond the hours you physically put in. You build systems, you hire a team, and the business starts to run on its own. This creates income that isn't directly tied to your time, freeing you up to focus on growth or even new ventures. Now, let's talk about the smart way to actually build these multiple income streams, because here's a huge mistake many people make. They get excited and try to build 5 different income streams all at once. They start a YouTube channel, try to flip real estate, trade stocks, and write an ebook simultaneously. What happens? They get completely overwhelmed, burn out, and quit everything. Don't do that. Instead, follow this simple, step-by-step system. Step 1 is to stabilize your main income. Your primary job or your main business needs to be solid. It should comfortably cover all of your living expenses. Stability always comes first. Don't try to build a mansion on a shaky foundation. Step 2 is to build one, and only one, side income. Choose one of the streams we discussed. Maybe it's freelancing, maybe it's starting that e-commerce store. Focus all your extra energy on that single thing for at least 6 to 12 months. Your goal is to grow it until it becomes a stable, predictable source of income, even if it's small at first. Once that income stream is stable, you move to step 3, automate it. This is crucial. Use systems, software, and tools to make it run with less of your direct involvement. Can you hire a virtual assistant? Can you use scheduling software? Can you create templates? The goal is to reduce the time you spend on it without sacrificing the income. Only after one stream is stable and largely automated do you move to step 4, add another stream. You now have the stability of your main job and the cash flow from your first, automated side income. You can now repeat the process, choose a second side income and focus on building it. This is how real, sustainable wealth is stacked gradually, brick by brick. To help you visualize this, think of your income streams like a pyramid. At the very bottom, the wide, strong base, is your active income. This is your job or main business, where you trade your time for money. It's the foundation of everything. In the middle of the pyramid, you have your semi-passive income streams. These are the side hustles and businesses that you've built and started to automate. They still require some attention, but not your full-time effort. And at the very top of the pyramid, the peak, you have your purely passive investments. This is your stock portfolio, your index funds, your fully managed real estate properties. This is money that is truly working for you 24/7 without you lifting a finger. Over time, the goal is simple. You want to shift your reliance from the bottom of the pyramid to the top. You move from working for money to having your money work for you. Here's the truth that most people never hear. Financial freedom doesn't come from one lottery win or one big, lucky break. It comes from the combination of many small streams flowing together. One skill you monetize, one investment you make consistently, one side hustle you grow, one digital product you launch, one business idea you bring to life. You stack them long enough, and eventually, something incredible happens. Your income begins to flow from many different directions. And when that happens, you are no longer trapped or dependent on a single paycheck. That is the real power of multiple income streams. If you found this video valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights on building wealth and taking control of your financial future. And remember, don't wait for the perfect opportunity to appear. Start building your second income stream today. Your future self is going to thank you for it. Thanks for watching.